BB-8 is everyone assembled. Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nine and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Von Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
You're right ahead, recruits. All the way forward.
Affirmative. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships from launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Keep tight now. Let's get ready to jump to light speed on my mark.
Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Two Blue Flag here to clear the path so transport can make a jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to strike him below.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm going to try to jump on the way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some fronts and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas? Then wipe the nav computer. I don't want them finding anything.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Now, quick, get up there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Everyone up to stand. Get out.
Whoa. Yikes.
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here.
Good luck,
I
pal.
will return to finish this personally.
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. To trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoner.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Please to
Whoa!
There's no escape.
Whoa!
You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Okay, you're clear.